Hi guys, my name is Emma, and in this video I will show you that it is very easy to work with the indicator Alligator. Actually, it's a very good thing that can give you the clear signals if you know how to work with it. And in this video I will show you these signals, how to read the market and open the right trades. I mean the successful and profitable trades that will bring you money. So guys, like this video right now, subscribe to the channel and check all the links in the description. I got my personal Telegram chat. It is closed one because there I post the free trading signals. And I really create the membership of traders. There we interact and support each other and we trade together. And you can easily become a member of this chat. You just need to send me the code word private to my personal Telegram messages. You'll find the link in the description and on your screen right now. And also you can easily use the ChatGPT4 bot. It also sends the signal, but it is the artificial intelligence. But it can give you the right cool signals that also bring you the profit even if you're a beginner in trading. So guys, let's start trading. So to activate this indicator, I find these dots at the top and click this button. Selecting the alligator in this list, and now I have 3 moving averages. And here the green line is the main one, and we will analyze how the line is positioned relative to the other 2 lines. So let's analyze how we can work with it. For example, here, this is the downtrend. The green line is beneath the blue and red moving averages. After the small flat zone, the price trends down again, while the green line is crossing the other ones from top to bottom, and it is a signal to sell. Here, the price moved in the flat zone and the moving averages are intertwined, and in this situation, indicator doesn't give a clear signal. And if the green line is crossing the other ones from bottom to top, well, it is a signal to buy. The price will be growing. Well guys, let's find the entry point and work with this indicator. As I mentioned earlier, the green line is moving beneath the other ones. All these lines are distant from each other. The greater distance, the stronger that trend. We know that. And here I open a down trade and let's check what's gonna happen here. So the chart updates the minimum point when a pullback the moving averages got closer, but next price moved lower and they again diverged from each other. So this is my first profit. Let's continue. So here the price moved in the flat zone for a while. Here the moving averages are intertwined, and such moment it's better to refrain from entering, to wait for the best position. Then the green line moved above the other ones and it is the bullish trend again. So the distance between lines decreased and it means the trend slowing down. Here I want to open a trade from the lowest point on the chart because I really believe that uptrend will continue. So the price goes higher from the last maximum point. Here we got the profit and we can continue. Here the price showed very strong decrease, and this time this level doesn't let the chart go higher. Here the correction occurring and the green moving average of alligator is crossing the other ones from top to bottom. So it is a signal to sell, and here we can see the big red candlesticks and the lines of the alligator are at a greater distance from each other. It is the bearish trend strengthening, and here we got the profit again. Let's find another entry point. So here we can see there were green candlesticks, and for some moment the green line was above the other ones, but then crossed them from top to bottom and the price went down. So the next high point formed lower than the previous one. I think the chart will go lower and I will open a down trade and next watch what happens. Okay, this entry point wasn't very good, but thanks to the move down I got the profit here and we can go on. So the price trends down here, and after the small correction the chart again moved lower and the green line crossed the other ones from top to bottom and the distance between them is great. So guys, it means that the trend will continue, and here I want to open a down trade for 3 minutes with the reserve. If the correction occurs, we will be ready for it. So here we entered at a pullback. The lines of the alligator got closer for a moment, but then moved lower and diverged further from each other. So this is the profit for you and me, and we can continue and find another entry point. So let's work with the situation. The price trended up here, then there was the retracement. The green line was beneath the other ones. Then price started moving higher, and here we can see how this green moving average crossed the other ones from bottom to top. And this indicates a continuation of the bullish trend. And this trend is very strong. The price steadily goes up. I want to open an up trade on a pullback. And here we can also notice how the green line crossed the red one from top to bottom. And guys, it is a false signal and I don't count it. In a minute the price shows the growth and the green line again crossed the red one. So guys, we got the profit and we can continue. So here this is the bullish trend on the market. The new maximum formed higher than the previous one. There was the correction and the price again moved up. The green line first moved beneath the other ones but then crossed them from bottom to top. So this indicates a continuation of the trend. Bullish trend here is quite strong and I think the price will be rising. And as soon as the green line approached the blue one, I open an up trade for 3 minutes. But guys, it is better to wait for the complete intersection, of course. So during 3 minutes the price shows the big growth. The green line moves above the other ones and this is the very big distance from each other. So this is the strength of the trend, but I got the profit and we can continue. So now I will show you how to act when the moving averages often change their position and intertwine with each other. It is better to wait for the full intersection from top to bottom because here this is the bearish trend and then you can open a trade. But I do not want to wait actually, I want to work with what I already got from this indicator. So let's earn on a pullback, because the green line crossed the red and blue ones from bottom to top. So I will open a trade for 1 minute. Let's watch what happens. So here it's been a dangerous moment actually, and I really could easily get a loss here, but I got the profit and we can continue. As we can see here, the price moved in the flat zone but then tested the higher boundary. And it is the bearish trend in general and it is better to enter from the higher boundary for the move down. And it is better to wait for the green line to cross other ones from top to bottom and then open a down trade. In a minute the price didn't show the strong decrease, but it moved down and I got my profit. And the moving averages also moved down, diverging further from each other. And I think we can open the next trade here on a down move. So the price here touched the lower boundary, but we can see that the previous minimum point is much lower. Yeah, and I really expect the price to move down and that's why I want to open a down trade. So guys, let's check what's gonna happen here. So guys, here you can see the price again tested the lower boundary of the flat zone. I got my profit. And now let's check my balance. It is almost $8,000, so I want to take profits and leave the market. As you can see, working with this indicator is very successful if you know the signals, how to open the trade and for what period of time. And you can easily work with it. How to find it and how to work with it I explained at the beginning of this video. But if you have any questions left, you can write to my Telegram messages, to my direct Telegram messages. So I will leave a link to my Telegram in the description under this video. And guys, wish you all the best, wish you good trading and see you in the next video.